Greetings, this is Moody. I'll be teaching you how to answer the computer part in the exam. That is paper 2, GCE, Mathematics, ECZ. So, I noticed papers from 2018, 2020, 2021. The question was the same. The only difference came in when it came to 2019. It was the one which was different. So, meaning that probably 2022, it might be similar to 2019 or it might be the same, but there's a high chance of it being asked in form of 2019 than these other years, because these other years they have been asking in that manner. But it doesn't mean that they can't ask it in form of how they have been asking it since 2020, 2018, 2020, 2021. It could also be that. So one thing which I want you to understand is that computer is very simple. No need of even knowing much of it. The only thing which you need to do is to understand how questions are asked and how we are supposed to answer it. So they're asked in two ways. Like the way 2019 asked, that is in form of a pseudocode. Then you need to interpret the pseudocode in form of statements. Then the other part, they give you statements like 2018, 2020 and 2021. Then you write those in form of what? Pseudocode. This is what I mean. Let's just look at those papers. These are the papers. So this is what I'm talking about. So this is 2019. Have you seen? Okay. So this is what I mean. So this is 2019. So this is 2019. Have you seen? So this one, this is 5 marks. You need to interpret this now in form of statements. What that means, so meaning that you need to write this is 2019 in form of 2018, 2020, the way they ask this. So you see, this is how it goes. So you see, that is 2018. Now, have you seen what I'm telling you? So 2019, the way it was, that's how we need to answer this one. But the way this one is 2018, you need to answer it in form of the way they had asked 2019. Same with 2020, you need to answer it in form of like the way the 2020 was as a question. So that's where it is. So what do I mean? You find that here they're saying that enter. So the same shape which is there on the enter, it's the same shape which you need to do. You need to write, then you put enter. Now just manipulate the values. Here they're saying that enter, those just A, R and N. So you do the same there. This is what I mean. Just a minute. So you see, you do the enter. Here they are saying enter A, but there in the question there was A, R, N. So that's what you do. Start there, then you say enter, then you enter there. Then is what? You come back to that question. So you enter there, enter what? Then here, if R is equals to 0, then what do you do? If R what in form of that, just like the way it is. So let us look at the questions. So this is 2020. You see? So same start, the same shape. So in other words, what I can tell you is that copy the way 2019 is. Don't put anything. Then start comparing. Where they're saying enter radius, there they say maybe 2019 they're saying enter A. Here you enter radius. You see? Then down there saying that if those shapes, that shape, if what is yes, no. What is no, that's why you proceed. If yes, error message. If you see 2019, so you see this one. So just draw these shapes in practicing. Then don't put anything. Start entering the actual question which you're answering. Then start replacing with the actual things which are being asked. You find that it's just the same. Then if it is this one, you need to answer it like the way these other questions are, like 2018, 2020, 2021, like 2021 when you see it. So this is 2021. So have you seen this one? They asked in form of a question. So you need to answer it like 2019. Then 2019 has to be answered like this is 2021, the way it is. Just change what you're being asked, that, but the logic is one and the same. Where you say start, enter, that is if you answer in 2029, enter what is there on enter, it is A, so you say A. But in here they're saying that enter length, so there on the pseudocode chart, that's what you put. This is how it happens. So if you show me, you can reach me out on 0978021254 on WhatsApp if you want more details about this. Thank you.